In this video, we're going to be finding the zeros of a quadratic function given its equation. Okay, let's keep in mind that zero can also be called solutions. They can be called roots, and they can be called x-intercepts. Okay, so we're going to be finding the zeros or the solutions or the roots or the x-intercepts, whatever you want to call it, of these quadratic equations. What we're going to do is we're going to set this part of the equation equal to 0. So basically get rid of the y there and replace it with a 0. We'll factor it, and then we will solve using the zero product property. Okay, so let's do this first one here. You want two numbers that multiply to get negative 14 that add to get negative 5. So that should be negative 7 and 2. Multiply those, you get negative 14. Add them up, you get negative 5. Okay, so this factors into, well, let me set it equal to 0 first. 5x minus 14 equals 0. And now we can factor it into x minus 7 and x plus 2 equals 0. Okay, and the zero product property tells us that when we factor something like this into factors that are set equal to 0, we can set both of them equal to 0 and solve to get two solutions. Okay, so I'll add 7, add the 2 there. Okay, so that gives me x is equal to 7. It's one of my solutions. And then x is equal to, oh, I should have subtracted there. Subtraction of the 2. Okay, so x is equal to negative 2. Okay, let's try another one. So those are our zeros or solutions or roots. All right, for this one, we need two numbers that multiply to get 81 that add to get negative 18, negative 9 and negative 9. Okay, so x squared minus 18x plus 81 equals 0. And then that factors into x minus 9 and x minus 9. And you can write that as x minus 9 squared if you want. Either way, you only have to solve one of them because they will give you the same solution. Talk about multiplicity later on in your class. It would be a solution of, let's see, let's find it first. So add 9 to both sides. So x is equal to 9. And later on, you would say that this is x equals 9 with multiplicity 2 because it happened twice. And that will be important for graphing later. Okay, let's do one more. This one only had the one answer. Okay, so two numbers that multiply to get negative 24 that add to get 2. Let's do 6 and negative 4. Does that work? 6 times negative 4 is negative 24, and 6 plus negative 4 is 2. Okay, so x squared plus 2x minus 24 equals 0. We can factor that into x plus 6 and x minus 4 equals 0. So x plus 6 equals 0. X minus 4 is equal to 0. So we subtract 6 here to get x is equal to negative 6. And add 4 here to get x is equal to 4. So two solutions on that one.